Welcome everyone, here is how you go back in your iPhone 14 Pro. So if I open up the settings app, you're going to notice I'm not at the home page. How on earth do I get there? Well, you have two methods. The first method, this is annoying, is you reach to the very top and you can see this is kind of tough. If you want a little tip, if you slide your thumb down, you can go to the back button right here, nice and easily. However, the best method is you're going to slide with one finger, preferably your thumb, from the far left hand side, and you're going to slide it over to the far right hand side. Do keep in mind that if you don't like going slow like this, you can do a quick flick from the far left hand side, and if you do this little flick, you can see my thumb travels less distance compared to doing a swipe. Okay. If you were to do a slow swipe and then release, you can see you will not go back. Now you can also do this swipe in the Safari browser as well. Not all applications will support the swipe back, so just keep that one in mind. If they don't, you will have to look for a physical back button here. In the case of Safari, of course, if we swipe from the far left to the far right, we go back. But with Safari, you can also swipe from the far right to left, and you can go forward, okay? Back, forward, right? Do keep in mind the forward function doesn't work in many apps. You can see I'm in settings, I'm not going forward here, so there you go. With that being said, thanks for watching, see you guys later, bye bye.